I used to be a strictly monogamous knitter until my friend introduced me to the crafting polyamorous lifestyle. I was really afraid of diving into this new way of living. I saw myself completely losing control of my life and sliding into some kind of crafting orgy. Today, I'm a fully practicing polyamorous knitter, and I have to say I recommend this lifestyle because not all days are the same. Sometimes you might want to have a complex pattern with something to stimulate your brain. Other days you just want stockinette knitting in the round, which you might do when you're, for example, driving. Not driving, but sitting in a car. Then it might be good to have something more coarse and easy to do without looking too closely. Or you might have this long-standing project that you don't know where it's going, but you love to take out and caress once in a while. Something that you began and you're not sure that you're going to finish. After decades of forcing myself to finish an object before being allowed to start another one, I now have various baskets scattered around the house, or even use my unfinished objects as decoration, because unfinished objects can also be pretty.